Welcome to Maple Leaf Numismatics, where we explore rare and captivating coins that could turn up in your everyday pocket change. Today we are examining a particularly intriguing variety of Canadian coinage, the 1990 Canada 5 cents featuring the bare belly beaver. Let's dive into the details. The 1990 5 cents coin is notable for a few reasons. First, it marks a significant update on the obverse. That year, Canadian artist Dora de Pédery-Hunt's new portrait of Queen Elizabeth II replaced the previous British design, a change echoed across Commonwealth nations. However, the real story today is on the reverse side of the coin. Here, we see a beaver on a log, designed by Kruger-Gray. Due to a die polishing error in 1990, this design led to a unique variation known as the bare belly variety. The polishing process removed much of the fur from the beaver's underbelly, creating this distinctive look. This bare belly effect varies among coins, depending on how extensively the die was polished. Collectors seek these coins for their rarity and distinctive appearance. In terms of value, the standard 1990 5 cents is worth only a few cents. In contrast, the bare belly variety can command a premium. For instance, coins in EF40 condition typically sell for around $17.50, while those graded MS65 can reach values of up to $343.27. With a mintage of 42 million, the 1990 5 cents is not rare in itself, but finding the bare belly variant requires a careful eye. Be sure to inspect your coins closely. You might just find a valuable treasure. Thank you for joining us at Maple Leaf Numismatics. We hope you have enjoyed this exploration of the 1990 5 cents bare belly beaver.